TV Live. As you can see, we are live and interactive, and we're going to talk about some big news from TAAT Global Alternatives. TAAT Global Alternatives put out news on Friday, and we're going to go through the news right now. So first and foremost, congratulations on members on TAAT. We brought you guys TAAT pre-IPO at 41 cents. Today they're trading at over 375. So we are approaching a 1,000% gainer. Officially, we will be up 1,000% at $4.10. We've been past that many times. We haven't been able to maintain it. Right now, we are right around 375, and a lot of it is due to the news that came out on Friday. TAAT named Best New Product at its first B2B business-to-business convention after launching TAAT Global Alternatives Inc. on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol TAAT, T-A-A-T, on the OTCQX exchange under the symbol TOBAF, and in Frankfurt, Germany, under the symbol 2T, P as in Peter, is now exhibiting at trade shows in the United States for the first time since TAAT launched at retail in Ohio on Q4 2020. This week, the company, and this was last week, operated a booth at the HQ event, a business-to-business trade show for specialty lifestyle vendors, including purveyors of vaping and combustible smoking products, held at Caesars Palace in Las Vegas and in its Julius Ballroom space. Buyer attendees of the HQ event were given the opportunity to vote for their favorite products in the event in various categories. And how do you think TAAT did? The company is pleased to announce that in addition to TAAT placing second in the best in show category, TAAT also won first place for the best new product at the HQ event. And who brought you TAAT first? Your boy Rich. It's true. Not bad, eh? Furthermore, TAAT was able to produce original promotional footage in areas of the Caesar Palace Resort, such as its Garden of the Gods pool complex. At the event, the company formed dialogues with several buyers for wholesalers and retailers across the United States, which will be diligently pursued as TAAT seeks to scale its current presence in the tobacco industry. So what's coming up this week? The company will also be an exhibitor at the Champs trade show in Las Vegas, which is a considerably larger show than the HQ event. Champs will be held at the Las Vegas Convention Center from July 27th, which is tomorrow, through July 30th, 2021, and has already sold out of exhibition spaces. Currently in its 22nd year, the focus of Champs is an innovative, smokable product with a strict focus on B2B attendees. In addition to Las Vegas, Champs is also holding trade shows this year in Atlantic City, New Jersey, and Denver, and Colorado. Denver, Colorado. What did TAAT Chief Executive Officer Seti Coscarella have to say about this news? Seti Coscarella commented, alternatives to tobacco cigarettes such as vaping and herbal cigarettes have been very popular product categories at trade shows as demand persists from smokers age 21 plus for better choices. Now that in-person events such as B2B trade shows are back in operation, we're excited to be able to exhibit TAAT to buyers from around the globe who are attending shows such as the HQ event and Champs. And the stock is responding in kind. I believe the two awards TAAT won at the HQ event last week are an excellent indication of how our product is received by audience of buyers keen to embrace concepts such as ours. We're also pleased to have obtained a space at the new sold-out Champs Las Vegas event next week, which is geared more specifically towards the tobacco category. So big news, and TAAT is responding in kind. If you guys have a comment about TAAT, please put it in the chat. What is happening, Francis? How you doing, HP? TAAT's been an amazing winner for our community. Congratulations to you guys at home. TAAT in Canada, TOBAF in America, 2TP in Frankfurt, Germany. We literally have investors in all three of those countries, plus all over the world, making money with TAAT Global Alternatives. And in my opinion, this is just the beginning for TAAT. Clearly a company on the rise. You can see it when they're going to trade shows and they're winning first place and second place for quality products. And I mean, what's going to happen? And I was thinking about TAAT this weekend, and we were talking to one of our members and leaders within our trading community, Chad. And I was like, what's going to happen when TAAT is in every single gas station, every single corner store in the world? What would TAAT be worth then? Because I truly believe it's a product that has the ability to go global in every single gas station, in every single convenience store, in every single corner store in the world. What would TAAT be worth then? Something to think about, right? Dylan Fraser say, can't stay, but did you see articles saying Philip Morris was going to switch to health and wellness over the next decade? What's TAAT's new name? TAAT's name is TAAT Global Alternatives. B. Zepp says, another great Rich TV pick. I appreciate you, my friend. And I'll be honest with you, we're just getting started. We got more picks coming, but I believe TAAT has a chance to not only be a great pick from last year, but I believe it has the ability to be a great pick consistently for years to come. That's how good I believe TAAT has a chance to be for our community on a global scale. And I'm, in my opinion, it's just getting started. It's absolutely just getting started. You know, Philip Morris talking to TAAT. Well, we have to remember that TAAT has Philip Morris executives, Seti Coscarella, and all over their board. So I have no doubt that TAAT is talking to everybody and that everybody's aware of TAAT. Now what TAAT needs is marketing and distribution to get them everywhere. And that's going to cost a lot of money. That's not going to happen overnight, but I believe TAAT has what it takes to scale. And Foju says, if you're not winning, you're not watching. It's true. We bring in the winners and we bring them to you first. We brought you TAAT before anyone else in the world. Even TAAT will tell you that. And to be quite frank, I still believe that TAAT has a chance to 10x from today's prices and maybe even 100x from today's prices, depending on a lot of different variables. But I still believe the upside is tremendous. I'm not saying you should buy it today. I'm just saying you should put it on your radar, put it on your watch list, do your due diligence, do your research. Remember that Rich TV Live and Rich Picks Daily is strictly for information education purposes. But in my opinion, TAAT is where it's at. It's got incredible upside, a great future, a growing company, and a product that, from my perspective, anyone who's a smoker would be interested in. Why? No tobacco, no nicotine, smells like a cigarette, looks like a cigarette, tastes like a cigarette, but it's better than a cigarette. It doesn't have the stinky smell and all the terrible stuff that comes in cigarettes that have tobacco and nicotine. So in my opinion, it's better. And clearly with others, they believe it's a special product as well. It's not just my opinion. Many others all over the world already love TAAT. So in addition to that, it's half the price. So you got a better product at half the price. To me, this is a no-brainer, and I believe that TAAT is a very special deal. And if you're looking for one company to invest in, I think TAAT has to be one of those companies on your radar. That's just my opinion. Dylan says, having solid bounce off 3. I mean, this is what we've been saying, right? We've been telling everyone that $3 or less was an amazing entry price. Obviously, 41 cents when I brought it to you guys pre-IPO was the best entry price. But I've been saying that $3 or less over the last little while, it was creating a floor. It was a decent entry price. We were telling everybody in our community we thought it was a good entry price. Had you got in at $3 or less, you're now up over 20%. So congratulations to members all over the world that were taking our advice. And in my opinion, this is just the beginning for TAAT, a company that has a long way to go for a global presence, and a company that currently right now is still just getting started. So in my opinion, the upside is tremendous. I'd love to know what you guys think about this news? Clearly, TAAT is doing everything right so far. That's why they're up 900%. That's why there's investors all over the world that love the company. That's why they're winning awards. Clearly, the results speak for themselves, and I'd love to know what you guys think. If you like these videos, smash the like button, comment down below, share the video everywhere, and subscribe for future updates on TAAT Global Alternatives and other early stage winners that we clearly have an amazing track record of bringing you first. Because if you're not winning, you're not watching. And if you like to learn how to trade and you like to join our trading club, go to richpigsdaily.com and join the club where you too can get access to early stage companies first. HP says, all Rich does is bring winner after winner. It's true. It's true. I appreciate you, HP. Saudi Brown says, hi, Rich. Stands TAAT for Taste Authentic Alternative Tobacco. Oh, I like it, Sandy. I like it. And Expert Trading says, no surprise, they win best new product. Yeah, I don't think there's a surprise there. I think that, we anticipated this, and that's why we're talking about it today. Now, I want to show you guys something. Let's take a look at the price. I'm going to show you guys the price right now, $3.74. So you can see right now the price is $3.74 in Canada, and it created this floor around $3, and it didn't want to break that floor. It didn't want to break that floor for quite some time. So to me, that was a pretty clear indicator that we were finding a floor right around $3. And we talked about it in length in our club that it was not finding any resistance at $3. It was finding support at $3. So $3 was the new entry price for people that wanted to get in for the win. And clearly it's gone up. Now, if we talk about how it's done since day one, well, I mean, this has been an absolute rocket. So it was at 41 cents pre-IPO when I brought it to our community first. And I did all the videos on YouTube, prepared everyone, told everyone, even before it was public, that these guys was going to change the game. And that's what they've done. And you can see it went from 41 cents to 67 cents day one and never went below that price ever since then. That's pretty good. And they are currently sitting at $3.75 when we brought it to you guys first in June of 2020 at 41 cents pre-IPO. And literally, they're just getting started. They're not even everywhere in America yet. They're not even in Canada yet. They're not international yet. Yeah, there's a little bit of distribution in the UK and in Ireland. But to be quite frank, this is a product that I would like to see in every single gas station in the world, in every single convenience store in the world. Wherever there's cigarettes, I want to see TAAT. Now, what is that going to take? That's going to take a lot of money, billions of dollars for that type of distribution. So this isn't going to be an overnight situation. It's going to take some time. That's our advantage as an investor, in my opinion. I mean, if you know it's going to take a little time and this is a growing opportunity, that's our opportunity as an investor. Our opportunity is the opportunity to get in for the win. TAAT in Canada, TOBAF in America. Let's take a look at the American price, currently at $2.98. You can see we got this marked up because we brought it first. And you could clearly see, I mean, this thing has been also a rocket, right? It's been a rocket. Obviously, it's gone higher as well. And let's just delete that line right there. It's gone a little higher as well. And I've marked the lows and the highs. But you can clearly see that this is trending up from those lower levels. So a very strong trend for TAAT Global Alternatives in both Canada and the United States and in Frankfurt, Germany. Love to know what you guys think. Do you think that now is the time to get into TAAT? Did you buy on the dip? Are you planning to get in the future? I would love to know what you guys think is the next move for TAAT. But clearly, they're about to get onto the NASDAQ. So this could be gearing up for something bigger. We just don't know when. Jason says, I think TAAT is one of and going to be one of the best stocks to have and keep for long term. Thanks, Rich. Hey, my pleasure, Jason. Jason, I appreciate you, my friend. Anfo Drew says, very similar to Very as well, which Rich brought to us first. I appreciate you. I like Very as well. And I think both of them are very good companies. And I think both of them have incredible upside. And Anfo Drew says, in terms of price action. True, very true. And Early Biz says, hey, Rich, TAAT is in my retirement stock. Also holding strong is ACDC. I think this is a winner. Hey, thank you for sharing. I think TAAT is a great pick to put in your retirement stock. Congratulations for being a member of TAAT Global Alternatives. And ACDC is another one that I think has a lot of potential. Thank you for sharing. And Fate Create says, I think TAAT is going to €3 in the next 3 months. Anything is possible. Thank you for your feedback. I appreciate you. Mark Reed says, dope. Mark, are you holding some TAAT? I told everybody to get in on the TAAT game. Hope you got in for the win. Every time anyone asks me, what's the number one pick? I always say TAAT. And there's a reason for it. I believe that they are going to be in every gas station, every corner store, every convenience store in the next 10 to 20 years. It might take that long to be everywhere, but imagine what that means for us, the investor. A product that is half the price of cigarettes, looks like a cigarette, tastes like a cigarette, smokes like a cigarette, but it has no tobacco and no nicotine. To me, it's a game changer. It's an absolute game changer. Mark, thank you for being a member of our trading community, my friend, and trading club. I really appreciate it. Want to load up on some more at a good price. Got in early thanks to Rich and our club. Hey, appreciate you, Mark. Glad that you're holding for the win, my friend. Very smart. And Sandra, how you doing today? Sandra Worth says, congratulations to TAAT for the first prize. We're looking forward to the champ. Let the journey begin. And I'm so proud of TAAT Global Alternatives, but I'm proud of you, the investors at home, for listening, learning, getting in for the win, and seeing some huge upside on your investment. We're talking about a stock that's currently trading today 900% since day one a year ago. About 13 months ago, almost to the day, is when I introduced the world to TAAT at 41 cents. And today we are sitting at $3.75. Congratulations to members all over the world. You deserve it. And in my opinion, this is just the beginning for TAAT Global Alternatives. Put them on your watch list. Put them on your radar. Remember, Rich TV Live and Rich Picks Daily is strictly for information education purposes. If you would like to learn how to trade and join our trading club and become a profitable trader, we're having a big day today in our community. I'm personally having a very big day thanks to cryptocurrencies and crypto stocks and blockchain stocks, which I own a lot, both coins and cryptocurrency stocks and the Bitcoin ETFs. Congratulations to members. Big day for us here in the club. If you'd like to learn how to trade and win big and find the next TAAT, all you got to do is join our club. Go to richpigsdaily.com and join the club. Thank you for watching. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We're bringing the winners, and we're bringing them to you first. Your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Stay tuned. I'm sure there's going to be more TAAT news. They're doing another conference this week, so stay tuned. And remember, guys, what's coming next for TAAT? They've already put in their paperwork for the NASDAQ application. I'm so excited for TAAT to be on the NASDAQ. We brought you Mind Medicine first. They went on the NASDAQ. They're a 10-bagger. We brought you Standard Lithium first. They're now on the New York Stock Exchange. They've been a huge winner, up 700%. We brought you Vicinity Motor Corp Bus. They're now on the NASDAQ. We brought it to you first. And we brought you TAAT first when they were a penny stock, and they're about to get on the NASDAQ. It's true. I told you guys, if you're not winning, you're not watching. We're bringing the winners, and we bring them to you first. Dylan says, on another note, see CanTrust executive going to court. Oh, man, I don't want to talk about that. Some dirty penny stocks, cannabis stocks. And Saudi Brown says, I sold my car to buy more TAAT shares. Wow. You know what? That's probably going to be a really good investment. And then you can turn around and buy a new car, an even better car. thanks to TAAT. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great week. Happy Monday for everybody. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. Peace. Liabilities turn in for assets. Nicely done, Saudi. I agree, Mark. Have a great day, Mark. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. Hey, Jeffrey. What's up, man? How you loving TAAT, brother? I told you TAAT's where it's at. I wasn't kidding. It's your boy Rich. We out. Officially this time.